In today's rapidly advancing world of technology, machine learning has become a vital component in many industries. Among the various approaches in machine learning, supervised learning has gained significant traction, showcasing its efficacy in tasks such as spam filtering, speech recognition, medical diagnosis, and economic predictions. To fully grasp the potential of supervised learning, it is important to understand its fundamentals and its applications across different domains. The basics of supervised learning. In supervised learning, a model is trained using labeled training data. This means providing the model with input features and corresponding output labels, allowing it to learn the relationship between the inputs and outputs. Once the model has learned this underlying function, it can then be used to make predictions on unseen data, providing valuable insights and decision-making capabilities. Implementing supervised learning. To implement supervised learning effectively, several key steps need to be followed. Firstly, a dataset with both input features and output labels must be collected. This data is then cleaned and pre-processed to ensure its quality and suitability for the learning algorithm. The next step involves selecting an appropriate model that matches the problem at hand. This depends on the nature of the data, the complexity of the task, and the desired accuracy. Once the model is chosen, it is trained using the labeled training data, with the aim of minimizing a loss function. Finally, the trained model is evaluated using a validation set to assess its performance and make any necessary adjustments. Classification and regression algorithms. Supervised machine learning algorithms can be broadly categorized into two main types: classification algorithms and regression algorithms. Classification algorithms, such as logistic regression, decision trees, random forests, support vector machines, k-nearest neighbors, naive Bayes, and neural networks, are utilized to classify data into specific categories. On the other hand, regression algorithms, including linear regression, polynomial regression, support vector regression, and random forest regression, are employed to predict continuous values. Advantages and limitations. Supervised learning offers numerous advantages that make it a widely preferred approach in machine learning. It can anticipate outcomes based on incomplete or missing data, allowing for flexible problem solving in various domains. Additionally, the human interpretability of supervised learning models enables users to understand and trust the reasoning behind the predictions. Active learning, a subfield of supervised learning, empowers the model to interactively query the user for more information, improving its learning process. Furthermore, supervised learning algorithms tend to handle missing data more effectively compared to other techniques. However, supervised learning also has its limitations. One notable challenge is the dependency on labeled data, which can be costly and time-consuming to acquire. Quality and bias issues in the data used for training can also affect the performance and accuracy of the models. Overfitting, a phenomenon where a model becomes too closely adapted to the training data and performs poorly on new, unseen data, is another concern. Additionally, supervised learning may have limited generalization capabilities, as it relies heavily on the specific patterns present in the labeled training data. Lastly, training models in supervised learning can be resource-intensive in terms of time and computational requirements. Conclusion. Supervised learning stands as a powerful machine learning technique with an extensive range of applications across various industries. Its ability to learn from labeled data and make predictions has revolutionized fields such as healthcare, finance, and marketing. Although it comes with its own set of challenges and limitations, the potential benefits and insights derived from supervised learning make it an indispensable tool in the realm of data-driven decision-making. Thanks for joining us on this adventure. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple explanations of complex topics.